Today we're going to learn symptoms of a bad neutral safety switch. The purpose of the neutral safety switch is to make sure your engine only starts when your transmission is in park or neutral. This is a very important safety feature because it prevents your car from suddenly moving forward or backward when you start it. Most neutral safety switches are located either on the transmission case itself or connected to the gear selector linkage depending on your vehicle. Now, the way this switch works is pretty simple. It works together with the ignition switch and the starter motor circuit. When your car is in park or neutral, the switch completes the electrical circuit, allowing power to flow to the starter motor, which then cranks the engine. But if your car is in gear, the switch stays open, which blocks that signal and prevents the engine from starting. Now, over time, this switch can fail due to internal wear, dirt, moisture, or even electrical issues like damaged wiring or loose connections. And when that happens, your car will start showing some very noticeable symptoms. So let's get right into it. The first symptom you might be experiencing with your car is having your check engine light on when the neutral safety switch starts to fail. It can send incorrect signals to your vehicle's computer, which can trigger the check engine light and store a trouble code. Now keep in mind, the check engine light can turn on for many different reasons, so it's always a good idea to scan your car to confirm the exact problem. This leads me to the second symptom. The second symptom you might be experiencing with your car is the engine only cranking in either park or neutral, but not both. The way this switch is designed, it should allow your car to start in both positions. But if the internal contacts inside the switch are worn out or misaligned, it might only work in one position. For example, your car might start in neutral but not in park, or the other way around. This is usually caused by internal wear, dirt buildup, or even slight misalignment in the switch. This leads me to the third symptom. The third symptom you might be experiencing with your car is your engine cranking in all gear positions. Now, this is a serious safety issue. The reason why this happens is because the neutral safety switch may have developed a short circuit. Instead of blocking the signal when your car is in gear, it allows the current to pass through no matter what position the transmission is in. This means your car could potentially start while it's in drive or reverse, which can cause the vehicle to suddenly move. This is definitely something you want to address as soon as possible. This leads me to the fourth symptom. The fourth symptom you might be experiencing with your car is your engine not cranking at all. Now, if your car doesn't crank, no matter what gear position you're in, this usually means there is an open circuit in the neutral safety switch. In other words, the switch is not allowing any electrical signal to pass through to the starter motor. This can be caused by completely worn out internal contacts, faulty wiring, a blown fuse, or even a bad connection somewhere in the circuit. And because the starter motor is not receiving power, your engine won't crank at all. Now, before we wrap things up, here's a quick tip to help you diagnose a bad neutral safety switch. Try starting your car in neutral instead of park. If it starts in neutral but not in park, that's a strong sign. Your neutral safety switch might be going bad. You can also try gently moving the gear shifter while turning the key. If the car suddenly starts, this could indicate a worn or misaligned switch. Perfect, we just learned symptoms of a bad neutral safety switch. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.